Energy mo ha?
Energy.
Oh, muyehi mo. Energy mo ha? Good morning, my buntag. Last day na mo diri sa Burobo.
Hi guys! Last day na mo diri sa Burobo. Pauli na mi.
Salamat. Bye. I hate goodbyes. I hate goodbyes. Did you go na goodbyes? Sad kayo. It's so sad. Say your goodbyes properly, bro. Hey guys, we're at the airport now. We're about to board, and we're just gonna check in for now and then board later, obviously. It was a very fun, eventful visit here in Butuan City and Borubo. We did all the island hopping and all the snorkeling and everything, and all the beaches. I got me some sunburn. Hey guys, we just checked into our hotel and right now we have an overnight stay here in Cebu, and we're just gonna explore Cebu right now, and we're gonna fly home to Dipolog City tomorrow. So I'm gonna take you with me. I'm not gonna take my camera, I'm only gonna take my phone. I'm scared that my friends told me that Cebu is not that safe when it comes to vlogging and taking your phone out. So I'm just gonna take my phone. I'm only gonna vlog when we're at the restaurant or any establishment because they said it's safe. So. Nasa building.
Electronic vlog. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that's happening. Yeah.
May kape o magkape. Diyan mag-coffee o karoon niya. Asa tangaon dahil.
So we're here at Yak's Barbecue.
Gusto ka pa din tingaw eh?
We're here.
Sige na dahil. Asa tangaon dahil?
Na kami sa Yak's game.
Sa IT Park. Sige na dahil. Vlog na pala siya dahil.
So right now we're eating halo-halo at Chowking.
Stop eh ka no! Hala! Karampok ko!
Ano man? Americano ba yun? So it's very sweet. I believe it has sugar.
Mahingit kayo siya. Maulaw ko niya. Binibini ka.
Life-changing kayo siya.
Ninyo Church here in Cebu. Exploring it again. With Nico. Diba? Kung si Mantermi, oy. Ahata Nico.
Plaza Independencia.
Da. Panihot na ka da.
Oo. Ay, very hot man ang temperature.
Lumula lagi ang uyap.
Pula man dyan na dapat. Kita uyap nga brown. Kung saan yung gikaon?
Nakitaan yun na mo mangga, no? Taste test na taani.